Hello. In this video, we'll walk through the complete student journey on NexSAA, from dashboard to exam items and detailed performance analysis. When you log in, you land on your student dashboard. At the top, you see upcoming, previous, and unattended assessments, giving you a quick view of what's scheduled, completed, or missed. On the right, you get a performance snapshot with your scored percentage, comparisons, and recent results. As you scroll, you can explore deeper insights like assessments over time, student score analysis, and topic-wise performance, helping you understand your strengths and gaps across subjects. To attempt an exam, click on Assessments in the sidebar. Here, you'll see all assigned assessments with start date, end date, duration, and time zone clearly mentioned. Click Start Assessment to begin. Before entering the exam, you'll see the assessment overview, total questions, total marks, duration, and important instructions. You can also listen to the audio instructions. After confirming that you read the instructions, the Start button becomes active. If the exam hasn't started yet, a countdown timer will show you exactly how much time is left. Inside the exam, each question is displayed clearly. You can select your answers and navigate between questions using the arrow controls. You complete the assessment within the allotted time and submit once finished. After submission, your attempt is recorded instantly. To view your results, go to the Assessments Reports. Here you can access attended exams and click View Report for a detailed breakdown. You'll see your score, correct and incorrect answers, skipped questions, time spent, and any negative marks. You also get difficulty analysis, section-wise performance, time spent per question, and a complete question-wise review. From exam attempt to in-depth performance insights, NexSAA gives you a smooth and structured assessment experience all in one place.